see from the title and thumbnail, I'm going to be doing the only one color makeup challenge. I think I said that right. If not, it'll be in the title. But let's get started. I already have my face with concealer. I don't have any foundation on. My foundation is not matching my skin right now. I've been tanning a lot. The summer's been very busy. So I did not contour. I don't feel like contouring. So my eyebrows are still not done, but I just put concealer around them. So I'm actually gonna cheat a little bit with this look. I'm gonna put more concealer right there. There's still some stubborn hairs trying to show up and show out. Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough. Okay, it's gonna be really quick. I don't want the camera to die. And I actually have recorded a video prior to recording this one because it was looking crazy and I need to figure out how to make the gold go well with my skin. So first, I'm going to add the gold pigment and do like a cut crease look. So I actually forgot to put the I ended up, when I did this look before, I did a little bit of brown to make it pop more, you know, to make that gold pop more against my skin. I did a little bit over here already. I had to practice, y'all. It was looking horrible. And then I didn't know if I wanted to put gold in my eyebrows. It looked bad. So by the way, y'all, I have hooded eyes, so I have to make funny faces when I do this look. Sorry. I hear my neighbor playing a piano. I got it even. Well, do I have it even? Whatever. Now I'm going to put on eyelashes, the gold ones of course. So I have added the eyelashes. So now to top off this look, I'm just gonna add the gold lipstick, but I'm gonna put a little brown because I was looking like TT. So where did I put that lipstick? There it is. So guys, I'm back, and all I did was touched up any mistakes. It was really my lipstick that was giving me the hardest time, and I just put on my regular gold highlighter, and this look is now completed. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to check out my family channel, KEE'S and the Fam. Check out my parents' channel, It's a Love Thing. Also check out my little brother, Games. They have amazing content. Oh, we always have amazing content. We're content creators, guys. Definitely check out our parents' channel. They have cooking videos, couples vlogs, and different things. They have Motivational Monday. So go ahead and check them out. Games, he's going to be talking trash on there. He's very entertaining, have an awesome personality. You don't want to miss out on any of their videos. And of course, on the main channel, KEE'S and the Fam, we're always doing challenges, traveling. We're going to be going to New York this weekend, so stay tuned. Go subscribe and hit the notifications, okay, so you can see us live from New York City in Times Square. You feel me? Okay, I'm sorry. So thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my second time recording this to get it right. I think I mentioned that at the beginning. And this was a fun look. I think I nailed the challenge. I cheated a little. It's okay though. You can do whatever you want on YouTube. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.